I'm going to walk you through the install of the JLT oil separator on your 3.4 liter Toyota Tacoma and 4Runner. Included in the JLT oil separator kit is 2 hoses, the separator, mounting bracket, mounting screws, mounting bolt, and 2 hose clamps. Tools needed for installation is a 10mm socket ratchet and extension, Phillips head screwdriver, 1/4 inch nut driver or flathead screwdriver, and light oil. Let's get started. I'm going to remove this Pcv line here. This foam block covers this connection on the intake manifold. You're going to pull that up, remove the line by just pulling down, and then at the Pcv valve, just wiggle the line off. It should come right off. Next step, we're going to go ahead and mount the bracket to the separator, the 2 fine thread screws. Grab your mounting bolt. And on this truck, this is a 2-wheel drive truck, this hole is empty. On some models, there's actually a diagnostic port. If you have that, just remove that 10mm bolt and then mount this bracket behind the OEM bracket and reinstall the bolt. You can also use the bolt that we supply. Get that in there and grab your ratchet. Let's snug that up. All right, with your kit, you have 2 different length hoses, so grab the shorter hose, pre-install your hose clamp, and then you're going to run this under the spark plug wires along the intake manifold, and this is going to go to your Pcv valve. Get your clamp slid up. The Pcv valve is plastic, so don't over tighten this clamp. It only needs to be tight enough to seal air. And grab your oil and lubricate your hose end to install onto the fitting closest to the intake manifold. Next, grab your other hose, pre-install the hose clamp on that. Route it the same way. And this is going to run to your intake manifold fitting. Nice and tight. And this is going to go to your other side of the can. Now this foam block that we removed earlier off of the Pcv connection at the manifold, you can trim this out with a razor to clear that clamp if you would like. An alternative option is just to leave it off. So it doesn't serve really any purpose. That's it.